Good morning everybody. Today we see grammar part, and in English grammar tense is the most important, because if you all of you not got about knowledge of tense, then we cannot also speak and also not well in English, and otherwise any concept in English you cannot understand in proper. So all things, all concept and all study understanding better is better and best way to we got the knowledge of tense in Marathi also and in English also. Three tense: present tense, past tense and future tense is very important. And when I am explaining in English as well as I also explain in Marathi also, then you both language study at a same time, means English and Marathi. Then see here first tables that contain all tense. Main tense is three, basically present tense, past tense and future tense. And in each type of tense, four subtype, means simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Like also in Marathi language also like that. Then see first present tense. Simple present tense. Then in simple present tense form, see here s plus v in the present, s plus v. Here s plus v in the present tense. He, s means subject, plus writes plus a letter, means full sentences of he writes a letter. This is simple present tense. Then see here next continuous present tense, and that sentence of that type of continuous present tense, that form is s plus am or is or are and plus ing. Plus ing is very important. Ing form means he plus is plus he writes a letter is a simple present tense, and that type of like that sentence continues how he is writing a letter, means verb is writes, and here add to verb ing in continuous tense. Then after that third perfect present tense, and also like that see here type of sentence like that perfect present tense form also like that s plus have been and pp. Here is pp, right? Pp means past participle. Then see here he plus has plus written a letter, means third verb past participle, means the type of word third word. Then see here next is perfect continuous, and form of that type of sentence is s plus has or have plus been plus ing form, means in continuous also ing here and in perfect continuous also ing here, but difference is have been or has been here in perfect continuous tense, but not been is in only continuous tense, but in perfect continuous has been or have been is important. He plus has plus been plus writing a letter, means here first tense present tense, and the subtype of in this tense simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. And we see one example, he writes a letter. This is a simple present tense. Then after that he is writing a letter, means continuous present tense. Then he has written a letter, means present perfect tense. And after that last one is he has been writing a letter, means present perfect continuous tense. Understand? If you understand first these 4 types in present tense, then also it is very easy that understood past and future also, because process is like same, s plus v and plus verb participle pp, like that verb, third verb. Past simple tense, s plus v in the past means he plus wrote a letter. Here is the past participle, right? Writes to wrote. Here he wrote a letter. Then see here, continuous past, s plus was or were, singular or plural, like that. If you have singular, then you say was, and if you have plural, then you say were. Then ing form, he was writing a letter. He was writing a letter. Then after that, see here, s plus had plus pp means past participle. He plus had plus written means third participle verb, past participle, a letter. Then s plus had plus been plus ing form. He had been writing a letter. See here, in present and in past. You compare here also present and past. What is the difference? And form is also same, like that, first, second, continuous, then perfect continuous. Had been here in past, and has or have been in here present. If you remind this in your mind particularly or permanent, then you very easy to understand that tense. Then see here, written is also here, perfect, imperfect, both present and past. Only what is changed here, has and had. Here also that has or have not, in past only had. Then see here, continuous also, he is writing a letter, and is in present and was in past, and he wrote a letter means third verb. Then see next, future tense. पार्थ, हे कुठं बघायचं रे? हे काय, ह्याच्यात आवाज होत नाही काय?